How you guys doing today? Welcome back. Today I'm just going to be doing a little bit of chill programming so you guys can follow along and look at it. So this is more beginning programming, which is banking record systems. I'll be working on this for a while now, so we'll see how it goes. So right now I'm doing a format. So formatting is probably one of the most important things in programming. If you're able to format well, it's able to look well for the user, and you're able to practice sound formatting as well. It doesn't matter if your program looks great or not, it matters about your formatting. And always comment. So commenting is probably one of those things which I don't do as often. But if you comment, you're able to really see what is required in this program, and it helps out in the long run. So you're asking the user to choose an option. So I guess this should go along the lines of enter your choice. So when you're trying to program, you always want to make sure that you enter a choice number. Actually, I said that wrong. Whenever you're trying to program, you always want to make sure that you create like a strategy about what to do. So I already had this strategy in mind, and they actually kept an output screen, so it's easier to do. So you're like, okay, what strategy should I do? Alright, first up, account information system, that should be on top. And you start to look at it, you're like, oh, okay, they're formatting a little differently. And that's how you should be formatting your programs. Like getting the hang of, okay, I gotta format it this way just because I want to have an easier time with it. Formation is such a key to success in any programming language that you do. So just get in the habit of formatting every time. Now, the front-end stuff is very simple. Actually, front-end stuff, depending on the user, if you're trying to do it for your own application, you can pick whatever front-end stuff you want. But if you're trying to do it for, say, a client, I'm pretty sure they wouldn't want this as a front-end. They probably want something a lot better and clean, so they're able to see it. So front-end stuff should be important. Now, C++ is more of a back-end language, and I think Java is more of a front-end language. So let's try to do this step by step, and I'll show you guys how to do it. First off, we could do it two ways. I could think a switch would work better. So if you guys don't know what a switch statement is, I'm going to tell you guys. So a switch statement, there's ciphers between which statement to pick. So imagine like you have 1. So for this one, if you pick 1, it adds to a file. If you pick 2, it shows record from a file. If you pick 3, it search records from file. 4, 5, and etc. But how about if you pick an unknown number? They're gonna be like, what do I do? Like, this is an unknown number. Don't worry about it. As long as you don't do anything bad, then they should do it. So one thing you want to make sure is that the number that is chosen is first off has to be from 1 through 6 in terms of integer format. Actually, it should be 1 through 6. And if it's not 1 through 6, please display an error. So that could be easily done by a switch statement. So if you pick 1 through 6, imagine this. So switch choice number. So I'm going to show you guys right now. So when you're doing a switch, you had to put the integer value right here, and then you do a case. So case, let's say 1. And what do you want to do when it shows case 1? And then you start doing this program like, alright, for case 1, I gotta ask for an account number, I gotta ask for first name, last name, and then the balance. So let's do that. So if case 1 appears, let's say you gotta enter an account number. So most of the time, I have a separate way for programming, and that is through variables. That is through organization. So I organize a lot better and quicker, so I'm able to see this program a lot better. So most of the time, my variables are done based on what is required. So for this one, if you were to look at it, you're like, okay, why should I do with my variables a certain way? Okay, you could do it, like again, for this one, you could do a basic switch statement for everything. And it won't teach you that much, in my opinion, because when you do a switch statement for everything, it's going to take so much longer, so much more time. And one thing you want to get a habit of is creating classes. Now, not a lot of people like creating classes, but I think creating classes really does help out in the long run. So if you're able to create